You're entering into marriage, a sacrament, something that is so misunderstood and so varied in its understanding. But you're entering into something that's very special, into the sacrament of marriage. You're entering into what God Himself established.
It's great that y'all come and be a part of the celebration. So thank you very much for showing up. I guess as today, Chris has always been in our family, but as of today, he's officially in our family. So Chris, welcome to the family.
There's a lot of fairy tales, and a lot of them have to do with love, and a lot of them have to do with the man, the hero, who goes and slays the dragon, saves the princess, and then they both get married. And then what's the end say? And they both lived happily ever after, right? But the truth is, for us, marriage isn't the end of the fairy tale, it's the beginning.
Dear Chrissy, today marks 1,138 days that I have loved you. 1,138 days of true, unconditional love. I always knew that this day would come, but I never dreamed of a man as perfect as you. I have prayed so hard for you, and here we are, promising to commit ourselves to one another for the rest of our lives, in front of God, our family, and our closest friends. From today forward, I promise to be your best friend, your wife, and the best mother to our children.
This is the room dress.
One weekend after college, while me and Blake and Erin were all living in Austin, Blake mentioned that his best friend Chris was going to come stay with us for the weekend. So I remember telling Erin, like, hey, you have to come with us. Like, I'm not going to be stuck with the guys. I remember Chris telling Blake, like, hey, I'm coming, but it's not going to be anything, you know, if Sarah brings a friend, it's going to be nothing. I remember Erin being like, Sarah, yeah, I'll go, but just know that I'm not looking for anything. We all four went out on the boat for the day. Blake and I were just like casually fishing at the back of the boat whenever we looked up at the front, and we just see Erin and Chris kissing. And we're like, whoa, like things really escalated.
Erin, my love, my best friend, and my soon-to-be wife. What an amazing journey it has been to get to this amazing day in our relationship. I love you more than words can describe. You're the most amazing, kind, and beautiful person. It's hard to believe that in just a few short hours, I'll be able to call you my wife, a day that I've dreamed of for a very long time. I love you so much, Erin, and cannot wait to see you.
Declared your consent before the church. May the Lord in His goodness strengthen your consent and fill you both with His blessings. What God has joined, men must not divide. Amen. Congratulations. Go ahead. You can go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
was an ordinary day. Then she walked in and looked my way. With just a glance, yeah, I was sold. My head in disarray. How are ya? How's your night been gone? I said, I'm not that type of guy, you know. But why don't we talk? Yeah, let me buy you a drink. And then she kissed my face, yeah. I'm falling